and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today. Good morning guys, what a wonderful morning it is. It is the 17th of November, it's a Wednesday, and I'm looking at two trade setups today guys, all right? So the first one you're looking at is the pound against the Japanese yen. So as you can see, price has come down on the day chart to this grey zone here, okay? And then it's bounced up, okay? Bounced off this grey zone, and now you can see this large bullish candle. All right, so I think this trade has room to the upside. So we are buying this market. Okay, so our first target will be 154.66 roughly, and our second target on the day chart will be 155. All right, so yeah, I think this trade has room to the upside. Let's look on the H1 for execution. Okay, so yeah, what I want to see guys is price come down and retrace into this grey zone here. All right, I want to see a bullish candlestick pattern. Guys, if you don't know what candlestick patterns are, please check out my training tutorial, or you can ask some comments down below and I'm happy to reply and give you all the information you need. All right, so yeah, down to the grey zone, a bullish candlestick pattern will take price back up to the high. This will be our first target, and our second target will be the daily targets, guys. All right, so pound against the Japanese yen long. Next one, guys, this is the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar. I remember telling you last week that on this chart, I'm seeing a head and shoulders pattern. So if you look at these grey lines, guys, yeah, that's the shoulder, that's the head, okay? And then we've got another shoulder, okay? So according to this pattern, price should at least get back down to 8,700, okay? So I'm seeing a head and shoulders pattern, and also the day chart, price has been in this range. See the blue box that I've made? Price has just been chopping up and down in this range, okay? But yesterday we had a candle, a bearish strong candle, and it broke the low of that range, of the blue box, okay? So I'm looking to short this market, all right? I think this could be a really good trade. Short this market down to our first target of 87.52. And then our second target of 87.05. Okay, so there are our two targets on the daily chart. Let's look at H1 for execution. Okay, so what I'm seeing, guys, is a slightly messy chart, to be honest with you. Hence, my grey zone, my first grey zone is quite large, all right? But that is my zone, okay? And as usual, guys, I'm looking for price to react in this grey zone. I'm looking for a bearish candlestick pattern, all right? I can take that back down to the low. This can be my first target. Perhaps we can leave some money on the trade, and then our daily targets can be our second targets, all right? You can leave some money on the trade. Don't close all of it. If that doesn't react in that grey zone, then we wait for price to come to this zone, all right? And again, a bearish candlestick pattern. From here, I will take price back down to this low as my first target. And again, we can leave some money on the trade, and my daily targets will be my second targets. Okay, guys, so yeah, pound yen, we're looking to buy, we're looking to long the market. New Zealand against the Canadian dollar, we're looking to short or sell the market. All right, guys, let's take a look at the news. So overnight, guys, yeah, we had head of the European Central Bank, Lagarde. She was speaking. She doesn't stop speaking at the moment, so always keep an eye on that for the euro. At 7 o'clock GMT, we have some inflation data, some CPI. So keep an eye out for this 3-star rating at 7 o'clock for the pound. If we carry on down, we've got more inflation data, CPI, coming out of the euro at 10 o'clock GMT. So again, must keep an eye on that if you're in any euro trade. We carry on down, guys. 1:30, we've got building permits. This tells us the health of the building and real estate market in the US. This is a 3-star rating, so of course we keep an eye on this if we're in any US dollar trade. And Canadian dollar at 1:30. Again, some inflation data out of Canada. We've got some crude oil inventories. It says the US dollar, which obviously it does affect. It's a 3-star rating, but it also affects the Canadian dollar because, as I've mentioned many times, guys, the Canadian dollar and oil are closely correlated. All right, that's at 3:30. And then finally, as I said, Lagarde doesn't stop speaking. We've got more from her at 6:30 GMT. All right, so this is another 3-star rating. So quite a busy day, guys, on the news front. And guys, if you've liked this vid, if I could ask you to subscribe to the channel and like and share. And also, guys, please leave some comments if you're not sure about what I've spoke about, or you want some help with your trading or a little bit more advice, then please leave a comment and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you have a wonderful trading day, and I will see you tomorrow, guys.